from Cambodia. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
We live in Minnesota. We from Minnesota. We live in Minnesota.
So in Minnesota also have the temple.
Yeah, we have temple in there.
So for Buddha, right? For
Yeah,
Buddha.
yeah.
I see.
You from here, right?
Yeah, we are living here.
We just recently.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
I
good.
see. I see.
Yeah, okay.
So temples here in the United States.
I think we have different group. In South Dakota, we don't have it. Minnesota, we have. Wisconsin, we have. Illinois, we have. Ohio, Michigan, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut.
Almost,
Yeah,
all of the,
yeah.
the states.
But Minnesota, we have two.
We have two.
I think they have Laotian temple, Thai temple.
Thai temple.
Yeah, you Thai, right?
No, I'm not Thai. I'm not Thai.
You Korean?
No. Actually, I'm Chinese.
Oh, Chinese.
Yes.
Okay. How long you live in here?
Here in this city, less than a year, but in the States, many years.
Oh, okay. You just moved from different
Yes,
state.
yes, from Houston.
Oh, Houston, Texas.
Yes, exactly. So in Texas also have the temple.
Yeah, I think we have 5 or 6 temples in Texas.
Oh, I see.
4 in I think 4 in Houston, and 2 in Dallas. Yeah.
You know all of them.
Yeah, because we've been around
Okay, yes, I
in
can
a
imagine.
community.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that's interesting.
Yeah.
So how many years have you been here? I mean, in the States?
I came here 2001. Yeah, 2001. Yeah. Before September 11.
Before September 11th.
Yeah.
Actually, pretty much that's also the time my husband and I came.
Oh, okay.
Quite a
First
journey.
time we came here for the community, but people said they have a waterfall, so that's why we come here.
Exactly. Actually,
Yeah.
this is a pretty. To me, I think this is really pretty.
I think if more rainfall, more waterfall, so
Okay.
more beautiful. I think.
And also, there is a street. I think probably just outside of the park, the jump area, have
Yeah.
a sculpture.
Oh, yeah, okay.
All the sculptures is really nice.
Oh, yeah.
And I think each year they basically, have the competition. So every year they change the sculptures.
I
So
see.
it's this year, I guess, probably the theme is COVID-19. So
Yeah,
that's not fun.
yeah,
honestly.
yeah.
That's not fun
Yeah.
at all.
Is
but-
it at downtown?
Yes,
over there?
exactly,
Oh, okay.
exactly. So if you
far.
stay here, yes, if you stay here for a little bit longer, not leave tonight, then you should go there and
Yeah,
those
but,
sculptures actually are very, very
I just stay overnight and then we go back tomorrow.
tomorrow morning.
No, tomorrow evening.
Tomorrow evening, then you have
Yeah.
plenty of time.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Just outside at the. Maybe my husband probably knows better.
Okay, okay. Hi.
Where are you from?
We live in Minnesota.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
From Thailand?
Cambodia.
Oh, okay.
Cambodia.
I lived in Laos.
Oh, in Laos.
Laos. Yes,
Oh.
yes. His name is Siddharth.
Oh, okay. So you came direct here or different states?
Yeah, we are from Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I worked in Vientiane for like 6 months. in
I
Laos.
see. So you drive from Chicago.
Yeah.
Yeah. You Sri Lankan or
Indian.
Indian. Oh, they have a big temple in Chicago.
The Buddhist temple?
I think Hindu.
Hindu temple. Yeah,
Hindu
there are
temple.
quite a
Yeah.
few.
Yeah. I've been there. I
You
think
guys
on
are
highway.
Hindu or, okay.
On highway 59. Yeah, highway 59 in Chicago.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we named him Siddharth.
Oh, okay. So, good.
How about you yourself?
I'm a Christian.
Oh, okay. So where are you working?
Original from China. Yes. But because
Okay, okay.
still, in China, a lot of people believe
Yeah.
in Buddha.
Yeah,
Even
yeah.
my mother, was one of the people, who also believe.
And China is a big country too.
Exactly,
And a
exactly.
big population.
Yes, exactly. That's
Okay.
true. That's true. Yeah, that's
Okay, I'm gonna
the
end up
street
my-
The street is the Phillips.